kabari munonga uri atayari West TV kandi nshimira wakushanga kiriya kubantereza abantu muceka bitari mwe na mwe kesha heji twenda kugamba shonga zitari zimwe na zimwe na munongo zo kwata Eby'Obuhangwa omwe harimo evira inyanja ebisharara hamwe na ibindi catchment areas zo kureba mu mizuzi zatahirwa Eby'Obuhangwa no subsidiary anyenda tuzeho omuri Isingiro kandi tugambeho na district natural resources officer kandi kumena hano turabenganira nawe okutangazaho Isingiro emerireta first of all on the forest cover natural resources harimo ebisharara yemerera bitakutahira ebisharara turiyo tuza water and environment week ntenda turebe Eby'Obuhangwa byemerera bita omuri Isingiro kandi bagerizeho bata nka district kureba ngo bayongera ha forest cover hamwe no kureba ngo ebisharara byatahirwa kandi no kongera kureba ngo abantu tubabasa kubana bahinga ninga ukombeka omyejego yezo catchment areas nyenda mwakire atugambira amazina gahe then tutandikiraho nakwakira omwami Bw'Ensi
nango mukeka msawa program gundo murunda amazina muganyita Bw'Ensi Manuel inyendo tukorera Eby'Obuhangwa Isingiro district local government Eby'Obuhangwa muri Isingiro district local government harimo department sita harimo department y'ibigara harimo department y'environment harimo department y'ibisharara harimo ya survey hamwe na physical planning. So as a department says under the natural resources department and over hati approximately 6% of the land cover the mwanya gwono Isingiro district shikamereho 6% of it niyo tusigizeho nka area that is covered by forest sea cover. Ahandi the other part of the percentages nimwe hari urban centers nimwe hari agriculture areas already Isingiro yene taking up so much banana planting as we speak right now you're number one producer of bananas. So Isingiro, one of the biggest challenges has been changing land use in the common kosayipaka kantu manywa nkabarisa konka hata kire abarisa n'abahinzi atwizire bahinduke kintu ababiro bari abarisa bagarukire baba bahinzi ababiro bari abahinzi nabo biza bagaruka baza mu kurisa. So reba ngo harimo changes in land cover kandi warenga nari yecho urban centers ubwabiro burwa trading centers billion of bigger towns. We are almost getting even a municipality. So no rebangu even with the growth of the population natural resources muziba pressurized kandi ekinde kitino muri Isingiro district ine ekituru kweta refugee settlements. Isingiro in particular and Uganda as a whole nihanga eri kwakira abagenzi abari kuba bagizire bizibo mu mahanga gabo kandi rekabakira bakaba comfortable bakaba bakaba absorb bakakirwa kandi bakicirezwa konka hariho associated challenges abo ku bantu benda nyizi ni bantu benda ibyo kuriya ni bantu benda enku ni bantu benda amasomero ni bantu benda amarwaro nko kwitwa abantu abari indigenous turi kwetenga services ezo nabo niko bari kubana bagete. So in that way population care gumane yongera y'abantu abari loko kandi okateka ona population y'abantu abari refugees hata yeshanga natural resources ezo kuretera abantu batunga services for their welfare zaba pressurized ibisharra bitunga pressure and other resources farming land bitunga pressure abo kuba abantu nibatekwa surviving. So that is why we have been seeing a trend in which negatively we are seeing a growth in the general agricultural land, but it is in essence affecting on the land that would be reserved for forests, wetlands, riverbanks and lake shores. So the pressures because of the natural resources conquer. Even if we are facing that challenge, we can still wisely use the resources that we have. Kugira ngo umuntu naija kora agriculture 100%. There are other interventions that we can do. You can do agroforestry, you can do fish farming, you can do fish farming, you can do tree growing through land use planning and all that. So we are trying to let our people know ngu abantu no barabe bakanyire si unit area pa individual ekagumana ekyendera ekyo n'obukirabe kiruho. The remaining resources nitubasa kutendeka abantu bitu babase kuzikosa sustainably in a way that is good.
Yes. Bwenje waza kureba recent district Isingiro performing that is OPM service assessment. Anyenda turebe ho because department zona niba bamba za assessing and bajangu department eje kuzireje kuzo mukora percentage. Waza kureba ha natural resources department nongira ngo mukakora mukacontributing kurango service delivery ya tambura.
Ikibuze kirundi munonga. We must first and foremost appreciate the fact that there is no single activity that takes place under the sun and it is not taking place in the environment.
Yes.
And that is something extremely important to take note of. So that implies the welfare of the environment directly impacts on the welfare of any other intervention that we do. And strategically, government ekakwata ekicha environment yacheta cross-cutting bari kumanyisa ki ngu environment you meet it everywhere. Environment no gishango education, environment no gishango health, environment no gishango work, environment no gishango agriculture, environment no gishango community development, environment no gishanga omuri kintu cyose. So by making environment a cross-cutting issue, it has also been streamlined in all our government interventions. So what does that imply? For any single project that is going to be implemented by government, it has to first of all be appraised. Hata ndio ni kugambira the steps that we go through to ensure that Isingiro district and any other district that goes through those steps performs and excels. So as Isingiro district, number one, we are praising all our projects. Tureba ashituru kwenda kuta project to determining is it the right location, to determining in case it is the right location, what other environmental aspects have we found existing in that place. Now if we have to decide whether we have to spare those environmental resources, or if we go ahead and implement the project, we have to put what we call mitigation measures. Now, how do we handle the mitigation measures? We do what we call screening of projects. Netuzitenokika ahamwanya tureba okuguri considering a project eri kuzakorwa, tureba environmental aspects ziri kuza kuba affected, tuzidocumentinga